Okay.
Hey everybody, it's Ron with Radiant Technology Solutions. We're doing an SMB Connect video today, and we got Gary Sheinberg here with Insurance Solutions of Tampa Bay. Gary, tell us a little bit about yourself and about your business.
Thank you, Ron. Once again, my name is Gary Sheinberg with Insurance Solutions of Tampa Bay. I've been in the insurance industry for about 38 years now.
Wow.
Been in my own company about 8 years. We represent about 40 different companies. We're a full service agency. And what does that mean? We do both business insurance, which is your general liability, workers' comp, business automobile, as well as personal lines, which is your personal automobile, your homeowners insurance, personal umbrellas. We also do life and health. We've been in business going on 8 years next week.
Awesome.
So I'm very happy about that. We're doing very well. We're located in Palm Harbor, Florida. We are thinking about opening up another office in Odessa, Florida as well.
Great.
The next 3 months.
Great.
Some of the companies we represent are Travelers, Chubb, CNA, all the other markets that go along with it, Progressive and National General for automobiles, business automobiles. Just love what I do. You know, a graduate from NYU, got a business degree. My first job was in insurance, and I really enjoyed meeting new people. Went to the College of Insurance, originally from New York City, as you can tell by my accent.
I thought you were from West Texas or something.
Yeah, you know, when I say y'all, it doesn't sound right. It's like, how you doing? Much better. Married on the 24th, 39 years.
Oh wow!
This month.
Congrats. You got a lot of events this month. It sounds like
a lot of events. A lot of good things are happening. Like I said, married 39 years, have 3 boys, all grown up, out of the house now. One is in the music business, one is an architect, and the other one is a detective for Florida Highway Patrol.
Oh wow!
So they keep me busy.
Absolutely.
But you know, I enjoy what I do. I love meeting new people. We have close to over 2,000 clients now. That we range anywhere from Orlando down to Fort Lauderdale,
Okay.
West Palm Beach. It's amazing what people do for a living. I love meeting new people. I love hearing their stories. That's why I'm in business. I enjoy still to this day doing what I do.
Absolutely. Do you do anything with the claims side of it, or like for that workers' comp stuff, or are you writing the policies and maintaining and keeping those policies up to date?
Well, how that works is with claims. You know, normally the client will deal directly with the insurance carrier. I will take all the information down and then pass it to the insurance carrier. At that point, the carrier will set up an appointment with the insured to discuss exactly what happened, time frame. So a lot of information I do not know. So I just have the 2 people talk to one another. It helps with the process of the claims. I do tell my clients they're not allowed to have claims. Our hit ratio is about 98% on renewals. Mostly everything we renew, unless the company unfortunately would go out of business or had to move.
Yeah, I found it a lot better to work with an agency rather than go directly with somebody like Progressive or Travelers. It's a lot.
Or even like a State Farm and Allstate, they're captive agents. In other words, they only can sell State Farm products. They can only sell Allstate products. Where we represent, like I said, about 40 different companies, 38 companies. What we do is once we talk with a client, we submit it to various companies. We don't submit to all 40 companies. We'll submit to about 9 different carriers and see which quote comes back the best with the best coverages for the best premium. I sell coverages, what's best for the client, but the client, has that option, which choices they want. I always give my clients options. That is my job as their agent, is option A, option B, option C. We go over it and they choose what's the best option for them. They also have the choice of financing it, should they want to finance the premium. If they want to pay by credit card, we take credit cards,
Yeah.
So, we're a full service agency. We're there for our clients. Every business is different. So our motto is tailored to our clients' needs. Every business is different. Every client is different. There's no one policy that fits everybody.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I feel like when you're working with an agent, it's kind of like you're teaming up against the big guy, because that corporation always wants to, hide all these extra services in that you might not even need, like, roadside assistance or something. We already have AAA.
Mhm.
So why do you need that? And they tack it in there, and you look at your bill and you see it's on there, and you got to spend another hour on the phone trying to get it off.
Well, we do talk with our clients and ask those questions. Do they have AAA, like you just mentioned?
Yeah.
Because that's roadside assistance. While it's very inexpensive on a policy, why pay for it? So it's asking your clients the right question. Have time, sit down with them, ask questions. We have a questionnaire for automobile, list of drivers in the family. So we try to make things as easy as possible for our clients. And then we always do proposals. Now, a proposal is a legal document. It can range anywhere from 8 pages to 36 pages. Inside that proposal are definitions of what your coverages are, as well as the actual quote from the carrier. So I hide nothing. The quote I get from the insurance company, I put in that proposal along with the definitions and options of financing versus not financing. And I then forward that to the client, and the client and I then sit down or talk over the phone and see what's best for them.
Yeah, I think a lot of people don't realize that when they're getting some of these quotes, that those deductibles are adjustable, and that can really affect your monthly premium. I know when I first started driving, my deductible was like $100 or something like that, and then they adjusted it up to $1,000, because if I get into an accident, I mean, it's not that hard to come up with $1,000 to get my car repaired. So it saved me quite a bit of money.
And then once again, it's talking with your clients exactly what you're saying. Find out. Yes, the more money, the deductible is the money that's coming out of your own pocket. So of course, the higher the deductible, the lower the premium.
Yeah.
That's
And
good in a way.
is that the same with like business insurance as well?
With the property, once again, you have two sides. You have a general liability policy on a business and property. Same thing applies. The higher deductible, the lower the premium.
Okay.
But honestly, sometimes going from a $500 deductible to $1,000 deductible, it's only $32 difference, sometimes $36 difference.
Yeah.
So at that time, I tell my client, really, it's not worth the extra money. Should you have a claim, you're only saving $36, but you're laying out an additional $500 more out of your pocket. So, we try to discuss what deductibles are and what's best for the client. What can they afford to pay out of their own pocket at the time?
Awesome. And with the health and life insurance, is that are there deductibles involved there as well?
Now, with health and life, we work with business partners. I have
Okay.
associates that handle just the life and health. And the
Okay.
reason being, when health changed so many years ago and everything changed, you had to go back to school and learn everything new. So I have a theory. Surround yourself by smarter people.
Absolutely.
There are some people out there who I know who are extremely smart in what they do, such as health and life. So we became partners with them, and we give them the life and health because that's best for my clients. Giving them the right person. It's not always about making money. It's making sure the client is always happy and presenting the best quote to them. And that's why we teamed up with various health and life people.
Totally. And that's how you keep those customers as well.
Exactly.
Absolutely. Well, are you on any kind of social platforms?
Yes, let me tell you. I'm on Facebook.
Okay.
I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on CHB. Right. My Hub, HUB.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I am on a couple of them. I also belong to BNI Pinnacle.
Awesome.
So yes, referring networking is very important in our business. I work with other agencies even. They sometimes may not have a market, so they ask me if I could place the business through here. And it's our account, it is, we help them with their clients, but it's technically still our account. So we work with other companies such as State Farm and other companies.
Awesome. Awesome. So it's safe to say that, any kind of insurance question somebody might have, they should reach out to you.
Well, once again, if I'm their insurance agent,
Okay.
if they already have an insurance agent, they should speak to their own agent, because I don't know their policies. I
Gotcha.
don't know what's written on their policies. So I don't want to misinform someone who's not my client. I would tell them go to their agent and speak to them, find out why this is happening.
But if they're looking for insurance, no matter what area, it sounds like you'd be able to either service that or find somebody that could do it.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
That's
We
awesome.
could help. We do have clients that will leave one company and ask us for a quote, and we'll write the quote. Example, just recently, about 3 weeks ago, we wrote a very large automobile policy for a plumbing company. They
Okay.
were with State Farm. By being a little creative, we were able to save them about $5,000 annually,
Wow.
which is a big plus. So some companies can be beat. It all depends on drivers and automobiles. But we have different markets we go to for that.
Awesome. Well, what's the best way to get a hold of you, Gary?
Well, the best place to go, of course, is go on my website, which is www.insurancesolutionstb.com. Email me at gary.s@insurancesolutions, plural, tb.com, or just call 727-474-9645.
Awesome. Awesome. And of course, if anybody can't get a hold of you for any reason, they can always call me and I will send them your way.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
I sure appreciate you joining me today.
Well, Ron, I do appreciate the time. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you
And
so
I
much.
look forward to hearing from you.
Absolutely. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you again.